I am no longer convincing people to buy crypto. I don't care. I am not convincing people to change their lives and take advantage of a life-changing opportunity. I'm just not doing it anymore. Hey guys, welcome back to Clockwise Crypto. Hope you guys move forward in everything that you do. Diving right into a market update. Bearish sentiment sweeps across the crypto market ahead of CPI report. Bitcoin at $60,000. How do we know that? How did we see that happening? Let's dive in. Bitcoin pulling back as we expected. Guys, we were the only channel talking about this. All other channels switch bullish. Oh, October, this is it. Guys, look at the charts. Look at the charts because it's there. Like we're not gurus. We are not the end all be all, but we look at the charts and we see this, guys. You take a look here, even at our videos, right? You see our videos. Be patient. Okay. This video, we're talking about bearish possibilities. We were saying, watch out right here for this major fake out. We did this a week ago. Major fake out. Okay. This video right here is what we were talking about. We talked about a major fake out because of what we see in price. Okay. Because of the channel that we were looking at, guys. Like we put the channel up right here. This channel that's right here. We put it up and we told you guys, look, we need to break both levels. That's how we were able to, really almost time this drop almost perfectly. Simple technicals. Okay. And we'll dive into that shortly. Let's dive into this market update. Taking a look here. Crypto market has warned a bearish outlook ahead of the U.S. CPI report set to be released soon. At the time, Bitcoin, the flagship crypto asset, sits at $60,800 as it is right now. We can see here on CoinMarketCap, that's where we sit almost exactly. Okay. So right now, the global market cap declined by 3.3% in the past 24 hours, sitting at 2.2 trillion, according to CoinGecko data. So what's going on? So they're saying here the global market trending volume has been hovering around 80 billion to 87 billion as the bears continue to show dominance. Bitcoin, as a result of a downturn, plunge below 61,000 mark. And let's talk about why. So what they're seeing here, he's saying declining whale activity. Okay. Declining whale activity. So one of the attributes of the bearish trend in the market drop was data revealed by Sentiment showed that whale transactions consisting of at least $100,000 worth of Bitcoin declined from 10,000 to 8,100 over the past day. Another thing they're saying, CPI results to be announced today. What to know? The last bull cycle in crypto was inspired by U.S. jobs report, which sent Bitcoin price to above 64,000. If the U.S. inflation cools down again, bullish momentum will be expected in the financial markets, including crypto. So CPI is a measure of the global average change over time in prices paid by urban consumers for representative baskets of consumer goods and services. So we see that. We see what's happening. Okay. But like I said, this was all painted on the charts. This is all painted on the charts. Guys, wait for both levels to be broken. Do not just go off of this, this white level of resistance. So a lot of people were, oh, it spiked above 65. No, do not just wait on that. No, absolutely not. We need a break of the red. We need a new high. Okay. So we said a break of the red, and we said, and after the break of red, then you can chill a little bit. You can breathe. Okay. But without a break of the red, it's a fake out. Okay. And it did exactly that. You go to the daily time frame. Okay. Look at exactly what happened. Went to the white. Okay. Went to 65.3. Hanged out there for 3 days. Within those 3 days, people were going crazy. This is it. Only to crash down. Okay. You need a break of both levels for a confirmation, so you don't end up doing something crazy. Not financial advice, just what we're doing. So that's how we see the markets right now. Now we see right here that we are sitting on this level right here, which is about 60,300. Okay. Respecting that level perfectly. Okay. A break of that is going to be, it almost has me want to make a play. I'm going to share with you a play that I'm considering, but I do not think we're going to do it. I think we'll probably just buy more I don't think that we will do all this moving around, even though I do think there might be opportunity. And it's all contingent upon breaking this level. So if this level breaks, I have H-bar potentially going to 2 cents. Okay, that means you can get 100,000 H-bar for $2,000. Okay, where's H-bar at? H-bar is in the top 50, I believe. Okay, 46. H-bar currently at just about 5 cents. Okay, if Bitcoin breaks that level, people are going to lose their mind, which means altcoins are going to lose their mind. And this is H-bar chart. I think H-bar could go to 2 cents. And so essentially, if you sell now, let's say you sell at 5 cents, it goes to 2 cents. You more than doubled your your holdings, right? That's my logic. Now, the only problem I have with this is it's very hard for me to get access to crypto. So you guys know with self-custody, like I don't have crypto just laying around. Like it's sent off, the company sends it off, and it's gone. Okay? Like literally got to take a trip, hop over a few mountains just to get the crypto to sell it. Okay? Like and that's kind of my concern, right? Because it's not like I just have it here and it's in my wallet right next to me. No, like it's gone. Literally, like gone. So I think there is an opportunity though to double your bag, and I think there might be other opportunities. Let me take a look at some other opportunities, but looking at H-bar in particular, I think it was a good opportunity to double. Okay, it's just so difficult, at least for me, and the team, because we just tuck it away. All you need is a wallet address. Like if you're not in and out and jumping around doing all that, if you're really holding, you're in long term, you don't even need access to it. All you need is a wallet address. Send it. You're good. Okay. You can track it on the blockchain. Like you can see if it's still there on the blockchain. Right. So I just think there's a ton of opportunity. VeChain. Okay. Ton of opportunity. VeChain will probably go to a penny. That means $1,000 gets you 100,000 VeChain. Like I think there is opportunity for projects that aren't that expensive, because VeChain's all-time high is 25 cents. So a penny, $1,000, get you 100,000, goes to 25 cents. You flipped 1,000 to 25,000, and that's just reaching this all-time high, right? So of course results aren't guaranteed, but the risk to reward, I mean, come on. Like that's where the money is, and that's what I'm trying to explain to people, and that's why I kind of led this video. Like I'm not convincing anyone else to buy crypto. I'm just not doing it. People, how'd you buy real estate? Oh yeah, I invested in crypto. If you don't ask me any more questions, I'm not selling you on why you should invest in crypto. You've seen so many people make money in crypto by this point that I'm just not doing it. Okay, you ask me questions, we'll dialogue for sure. I will give you what I've learned. Okay, I will show you what I've learned, but I'm not in the business anymore, especially with family. Like I'm not convincing you to invest in crypto. I'm just not doing it. Okay, like if you don't see the opportunity in front of you, then that's on you. Okay, because it's one of those things where why am I convincing you to have an open mind about changing your financial life potentially? Okay, like why would I take the time and convince you to get out of where you are? Okay, so I'm just not doing it. Okay, I will share it. I will talk about crypto till the wheels fall off. I will educate on crypto, but I'm not convincing anyone else to buy crypto, especially after you've seen thousands of people make money on crypto. Okay, I know people, regular middle class people, who have made over 100 grand while working their full-time job, investing in meme coins. Okay, like, so I don't want to hear it. I don't think there's any excuse anymore. Everyone has time to be on Facebook, Instagram. You have time to change your life. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Diving in, looking at some other opportunities here. I think I do think there's a ton, especially in the top 50, guys. That's conservative. Like if we even go down, like look at Floki, 55. Like risk to reward. You see what they're doing with marketing. You see what they're doing with getting their name out there. You see what they're doing with major partnerships. No brainer. Okay, no brainer. What else that's really, really cheap that you can really take advantage of, guys? Ondo. Now, you guys remember Ondo? I was saying, look, I don't trust. I was like, listen, I'm not buying Ondo over $1. I told you guys that. I told you. I'm like, listen, I am not buying. It was like where was it? In June? It was like $1 something. I'm like, yeah, maybe 50 cents. Right? And where are we at now? 66. Okay. Like, pay attention. Like, pay attention to that. Like, if I see you're at, let's say, I'll tell you the logic behind this. If I see that you've never been to $1.33 before, and there's a lot of hype, there's a lot of push, and you're pretty much at your all-time high, I'm not buying any project at their all-time high. If I look left over here, and let me just zoom out a little bit here, but if I look left and I see, even just on CoinMarketCap, this is basic like due diligence, okay? If I look left and I see that you've never been at this price before, so this is when June we were talking about Ondo. Everyone's talking about Ondo, telling you to buy it. It's all-time high. If I look left and I've seen you've never been at that price point before, I'm not touching it. I don't care what it is. I'm not touching it, right? And that's how I feel about Bitcoin, right? If I look left and I see that we're near the top and we're pretty close to the top, I'm not touching it, okay? Not touching it up here. I'm not buying Bitcoin up here. That's a lie. Okay, partially. I may buy a little bit, okay? But I'm not buying a bag of Bitcoin at the price, okay? And especially altcoins. Altcoins, you see it right here. People are telling you to buy. Look at every influencer is talking about Ondo. Like, we did a review on Ondo, and I told you guys, I'm not buying at this price. I'm just not. I refuse. Because if I look to the left, I see, oh, shoot, we've never even been. It's never even. What? You see the left? Like, we're just coming off of 80 cents, okay? And this year, we started at 22 cents, okay? So when I was telling you 50 cents, that's a 50% correction from inception, from January, okay? So from its all-time high, pulling back about 50 cents, okay? 50%, sorry. And that's one thing that we look at. I refuse, okay? I'm just not buying near all-time highs. This is what makes H-bar so attractive, guys. That's what makes H-bar so attractive. We take a look at the H-bar chart. Seeing here, looking at the H-bar chart, we see pulling the price over here so you can see it. We see that there's a ton of upside. Coming off of the all-time high, spiking to 58 cents. So let's just say 50 cents, okay? Currently sitting at 4 cents from 50 cents. That's good. You're nowhere near the top. Stop buying these crypto projects at the top, okay? And it's different because you're going to have the FOMO. You know how many people are negative right now because they bought Ondo when everyone was talking about it and it was sexy? They're not even looking at the price. This is why price action matters, okay? Yes, it may be a good project, guys. But if you have an opportunity to get in at the optimum price level just by missing out on, pretty much just FOMO. That's all it was, FOMO. You're missing, I want to get it quick. Man, listen, if it's at the top, don't buy. That's all I'm talking about that. Sorry, went on a little rant. Go into crypto bubbles. A ton of opportunity. You've seen the opportunity, okay? We just went over 2. There were no brainers, just based off of the price action, based off of where it's at, okay? Stop buying these projects around all-time highs, okay? Stay away. Why are you buying a bag just because you have FOMO, and when you look to the left, you see, oh, shoot, it's already pumped. It's already at its all-time high pretty much. Why would you want to get involved in a project like that? You're missing out. Somebody's going to dump on your head. They're going to sell. You're going to be left with a negative bag, okay? That's typically what happens, okay? But you see some good price action. You see H-bar, okay? Miles away from its all-time high, okay? And this is the conservative play because you're just playing to the all-time high. Of course I got H-bar going to $1, okay? Of course. But if you at least hit your all-time high, at least perform the way you performed previously, it's almost a no-brainer to get in right now, okay? See here, we have Brett. Me and one of my good friends were talking about Brett. I'm not a investor in Brett yet, but very good price action. Currently at 8 cents, which is pretty good price action there. Flow pulled back. I remember Flow was up there. Flow was up there when it comes to price, and pulling back. We see here its all-time high was at about $1.60, and now we're pulling back. I definitely think it's price fair now. Flow was another one. Flow was like Ondo. Everyone was talking about flow, and the price was about 160. It was about the same price. It was $1.60, and it was just like, I'm not investing at that price. You look, and what do we do? Look to the left. Look to the left and see, oh, it's never been at $1.60 before. So why would I invest if it's never been there? Why would I invest at this price point? Right? So, another one I got saved on because, not falling for the FOMO. Every influencer was out there talking about flow. Okay. Here's another one. Quant did the same thing. Quant was pretty hefty. Quant was up there, $140. Okay. Everyone was talking about Quant, had FOMO for Quant, $140, $130. You look to the left. It's never been at that price point before. Now it's down to $60. Now you're down 50% because you bought near the all-time high. Okay. Stay away. Now is the time to buy. Now is the time to buy these projects. They're discounted. You can see it on the chart. Okay. Look to the left. You see the potential. $60. I wanted to go at least to its all-time high. I wanted to go at least to $140. Okay. So I'm at least doubling a little bit over. I'm doubling my money a little bit more than double. Okay. So pay attention to that, guys. Huge opportunity right now. Do not fall into the FUD. Crypto is here to stay, and you have an opportunity to be a part of it. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.